Look at that. That's it. We gotta get rid of the dirt then. Right up here is good enough. See how crappy they did it? They did a Darrow end job. Okay, take a break. Whew. Yeah, we gotta move the sluice stuff out here. Okay. Yeah, we gotta make this wider. Okay, take a break. Almost done. We got gloves over there if you got your hands dirty. There's the sexy woman. Woo! I can't believe we planted that in 2011. That one dead ash tree. Hey, why don't you call your boyfriend over? Maybe he can help you. Oh, yeah. Fucking awesome. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta do an imitation of an old person that's 84. So she weeds. There we go. There we go. I weeded!